Hi everyone. Today I'm here to talk about dogs, who they are, what threatens them, and how we can help them, and their current challenges they're facing. So a little bit of background on dogs. They are descendants of the gray wolf. They were domesticated by humans a couple thousand years ago. They are pack animals. Now they rely more on their owners and families, and also other pets in the household as their pack. They're not at risk or endangered because they are one of the most popular animals or pets in the world. They play a big role in our lives and companionship, work, service animals, and family. So the challenge they're facing is parvovirus. And parvo is a disease that really attacks their body and brings them down, and they're ill and they're sick and they don't want to do anything. So they're, lethargic. They're not going to eat. They're going to be vomiting. One of the big indicators of it is actually severe diarrhea with blood in it. It has a very specific smell. Another one is abdominal pain and bloating. And that's because parvo really attacks the gastrointestinal tract and blood cells and occasionally the heart in puppies. And that's what causes all these problems. So they can get it in a number of ways. They can get it from their owner if they come into contact with a dog or feces or any bodily fluids of a dog that was infected. And they can bring it home or they can transfer it to their dog by interacting with them. Or one of the most common ways is feces. So when a dog that has parvo poops, there are sheds of the virus in it. And so if a dog comes into contact with that, whether it's stepping on it, eating it, sniffing it around, touching it, they can become infected. So there are physiological parameters challenged in this. So you can see in this picture the effects on a dog's internal systems. So it's going to target the dog's infection fighting cells, so the white blood cells, and it's going to disrupt the function of the gut. That's really because it attacks the gut specifically that causes most of these problems, like the diarrhea and the dehydration. It attacks what these finger-like structures that are called villi in the small intestine, as well as the epithelium of the small intestine, which is like the cells lining it. It attacks them and it can actually kill them and damage them, which means that they're going to have issues throughout their life with their gut if they survive this. The best way to prevent this is vaccinations. If you get a vaccination for your dog and continue with the booster shots, uh, you can keep them from getting the infection because they'll have the antibodies to fight it. The treatment is really replenishing fluids, antibiotics, keeping them hydrated, meds for pain and everything, and just being monitored.